Okay, my arms are burning.
Less talking, more doing.
I am gonna kick you after this workout. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jen here, and today's video is going to be all about losing arm fat. Now, I stumbled across Gabriella's arm workout, and it looks like it's for about a week, so I'm going to be trying it and documenting the process for you. I have actually been pretty insecure about my arms. I feel like I'm a bit more top heavy, and I would like that to be reversed. Like, I'd prefer to be more bottom heavy. I mean, you guys can see that jiggle, right? It's not only me. And I'm actually going to get Dev here to measure my arm so we can do a before and after with measurements. Thankfully, Dev's here to help me with the measurements.
27 centimeters. Same, it's actually the same, 27 centimeters.
Okay, cool. So we are starting off with 27 centimeters on both the left and the right arm. I can't wait to see where this workout is going to take me. I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's going to be super fun. And I mean, this is the first time I'm going to be documenting a workout, so bear with me in the process. And I mean, even if I don't see any changes in the measurements, I think I'm not going to be too hard on myself. As long as I build some type of strength after the week and see some sort of definition in my arms, I think I'll be pretty happy. All right, so I'm going to be starting this workout tomorrow, so I'll see you on day one. Hey guys, so today is day one of the arm workout. Hopefully it's not going to be too challenging. You want to do the arm workout with me?
Nah.
Denied.
This first part is definitely not so bad.
Then she met me at the college.
I need to pause. Never been good at push-ups.
Do that much explaining and talking.
I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's going to be super fun.
Coffee with me, yeah.
The second round is so much harder.
Love that is not that romantic. Yeah. I don't have no time for no antics.
Okay, so my first impressions are that it's actually more difficult than it seems when you do it. There's a total of 4 workouts in the video, which is only about 6 minutes long, 30 reps per exercise. And oh my goodness, I'm already a little bit out of breath. I wouldn't say that I'm like sweating too crazily or anything like that, or I'm not like sweating at all, but I definitely do feel hot. I feel the burn in my arms. Wow, that's intense for such a like short amount of time. The tricep dips were a killer, and the freaking push-ups. Like, I can't even remember the last time I've done push-ups, okay?
Smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me?
Okay, so I just finished it, and my arms are dying. I don't think it got any easier on the second day. I had to pause for like 2 seconds before I could complete the whole thing, and my arms are burning.
Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Looking like,
It is intense. My arms are spicy. Wish I could be like that guy over there.
look like art. 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 Shawty, look like.
It is day 6. I woke up earlier today, so hopefully that helps. But my arms are feeling super sore, especially my shoulders. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm excited to get done today because there's only one more day left. Watching her do this outside actually makes me want to go and try it outside, but I'm just too lazy, so...
Go faster.
Be quiet, man. You want to try this?
Yeah.
Look like art.
Less talking, more doing.
I am gonna kick you after this workout.
Like that, she not one for drama. Yeah, big smile, get it from
I think my shoulders are starting to get used to this. Maybe I'm actually building some strength. Hey guys, guess what day it is? It is the last day of the arm workout, so I'm super excited. And Dev's gonna be joining me today, finally. Small, tiny circles.
You can leave your box feet.
You're gonna tire yourself out.
You're gonna tire yourself.
Look like art.
Yes, I gotta do girl push-ups.
Couldn't even do a proper one anyway.
Exactly.
Look like art. Look like art. Looking like.
It's tiring.
You're gonna need a Big Mac after this.
Coming my way.
Finished it, you guys. Honestly, when I first started, it felt like ways away, but I can't believe I'm finally here.
I'm just gonna start competing now.
Competing against who, me?
No, the Olympics.
What?
The Arm Olympics. Mr. Olympia. I'm gonna be the next Arnold Schwarzenegger.
So you would have to deal with? Okay. Hey guys, so we just took a quick shower and got a little put together for the final video with our results. So I'm super excited. Dev's gonna be measuring me again, so I can't wait to see the results, but I have to remember not to get disappointed. if I don't see any changes. So here we go.
It's a pretty hard workout.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you actually kept up with it. 26. What was that?
26 centimeters?
Yeah.
What? So I changed a whole centimeter?
Yes.
No way, do it again. I don't believe you.
Yeah, 26. It's pretty impressive.
You guys, that's a whole centimeter.
No, this one's 27.
27 the same?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one ended up staying the same, which is a little weird. But then again, I think like this arm of mine has always been the stronger arm.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm still pretty impressed that I lost a whole centimeter. That's crazy.
You're probably imbalanced when you're probably doing it.
Yeah,
but it's
maybe
still fine.
like I was putting more effort on one side of my body than the other side.
I think that's natural.
Is it?
People usually compensate on their stronger side.
Oh, okay, yeah, maybe that makes sense. Yeah, so I would highly recommend her workout, guys. Gabriella's arm workout is a killer. It's super, super short, only 6 minutes, but it's really intense, and that's what I love about it. I mean, doing it every day was really, really exhausting, especially on the first few days because I've never done something like that before. But yeah, so how did you feel doing it?
It was pretty intense. It's more of a HIIT exercise. It incorporates like, it feels like you're cardio based
Yeah.
doing it. So it's like meant to like lose slim arms, but
Yeah.
overall it was still generally pretty hard.
Yeah, it is hard, man. Like those 6 minutes felt like an hour. What I like about our workout is that it not only works out your arms, but it also works out other parts of your body, such as your core and your shoulders. Like I felt it, man. Like especially when you're doing like the shoulder taps. When I flex, I think I can see more tricep definition.
You're like SpongeBob
What do you mean?
when he flexes.
Yeah, so again, if you guys are looking to try something like this to lose a bit of arm fat, I would highly recommend this workout, or at least incorporating some of it into your routine. It's super, super short, very intense.
Very effective.
Yeah, very effective. Those are the ones that I actually like, the ones that don't take up much of your time, but are super focused on getting you just moving in general. I feel like our next video should be like an arm wrestling video. I feel like I'm ready.
Alright.
Okay, never mind. Just joking.
Anyways, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, big smile, get it from my mom. Hey, please, that's your shoes for you get my heart. Looking like, look like art. Look like art. Look like art.